Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. Dodge produced 7 final edition vehicles, the Black Ghost being one of those. They made 300 Black Ghosts. That equates to one for every 8 Dodge dealers, as there's almost 2,500 Dodge dealers in the United States. We were lucky enough to get one of the few that were allocated to the state of Florida. All of that means that this is going to be a very sought after and collectible vehicle for generations moving forward. As we remove these functioning hood pins, you're going to find a nice 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8. It's backed up by a TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission. Everything is channeled through a 3.09 to 1 rear end. That propels this vehicle down the track at 11.8 seconds at 124 miles an hour, 3.9 seconds 0 to 60. All this is wrapped up with 807 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque, making this one of the most powerful and fastest production cars ever made. One of the coolest and most iconic parts of this car is the black gator skin roof. It's very unique, and it's something you're not going to see on other Challengers out there on the street. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.